I received here 2 medals from the 2 different challenges that we've completed. This is for the Pacer Challenge, and this is for the Conqueror Challenge. And they both have come in the mail, through courier. And I'm here in Vietnam, so I was able to receive it overseas. I have to say the Pacer has kind of a much nicer box and presentation. It's also quite a nice medal here. But the box is really quite a nice looking box here. And I like this. This is for the Easter Challenge. I kind of like this design on the strap on the back. I think it's actually quite nice. And then the Conqueror, the presentation is not as nice, but you can kind of see here some of the metal, which I will open it up for you here. So that's for the Inca Trail. You can see that's also quite a nice medal. I mean, if you compare the size between them, I guess you would say that this is actually a much bigger medal, and this is a smaller medal here. But it does come into, in a really nice presentation and a nice box. And this is also got quite a nice strap to it. This strap's a little thinner than their strap, but they're all pretty comparable. This is just, it's a bigger medal, and this one is a smaller medal, but it does come in a really sort of nice box here. So those are kind of like the 2 medals and what you can expect to get on some of the challenges. Thank you, friends, so much for listening. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you get a chance, check out our blog, A Bus on a Dusty Road. We have a lot of other great recipes there. Thank you.